Alrighty, everybody. So today what we're going to be doing is lesson 4-3, which is adding and subtracting like fractions. So these are going to be some fairly quick notes. So for like fractions, says they are fractions that have the same denominator. That's the biggest point with like fractions, is they have the same denominator. To add or subtract the like fractions, add or subtract the numerators and write the result over the denominator. And then you would simplify if needed. So for example 1 here, we have 3/4 plus 1/4. So what we did is we added our 3 plus our 1, and we got 4, and then you just keep the denominator the same. You don't add the denominator together. And then 4 over 4, when we simplify, we would get 1. For example 2, we have 2/3 minus 1/3. So we're going to subtract 2 minus 1, and we get 1. And then your 3's are the same here, so it just stays as a 3. So our answer was 1/3. Okay, so for our exercises, it says add or subtract, write in simplest form. So for number 1, we're going to add straight across. So we have 5 plus 1 all over 8. 5 plus 1 is 6. And then we just keep the 8. Remember, we don't add 8 plus 8. We just keep it the same as 8. Now we can simplify this by dividing by 2. And we would get 3 over 4 is our final answer. Okay, number 2, we have 7/9 minus 2/9. You're going to take your 7 and your 2 and you're going to subtract. Keep your 9 the same. So 7 minus 2 is 5. 5/9, we cannot simplify that further, so our answer is just 5/9. For number 3, we have negative 1/4 plus 3/4. So this is like a negative 1 plus positive 3. So we're going to do negative 1 plus 3 all over 4. Since we already did integers last chapter, you should remember that on a number line, if you have negative 1 where you're starting and you're adding 3, you're moving to the right, so that answer is 2 over 4, and then we can simplify by dividing by 2, and we would get 1/2. Okay, number 4, we have 7 minus 5, so we're going to take our 7 and our 5 and subtract, so 7 minus 5 over 8, and we're going to get 2 over 8, and divide by 2 on the top and the bottom, and I would get 1 over 4. Moving right along, number 5, add our numerators. So 5 plus 5 all over 9. 5 plus 5 is 10 over 9. So you can either leave it as 10 over 9, or you can see how many times does 9 go into 10. That is once, and then there's 1 out of 9 left over. Okay, and the last one that we're going to do together is number 6. So we have negative 3/8 minus 1. So we're going to do negative 3 minus 1 all over 8. Remember, when you have minus 1, you can add the opposite. So negative 3 plus negative 1 is negative 4. Then you can divide by 4 on the top and the bottom, and you would end up with negative 1/2. Okay, you can go ahead and try 7, 8, 9, and 10 on your own. I will put the answers here as well so that you know exactly what the correct answer is. However, you can also look on Canvas. So if you just give me a couple of minutes here, I will be able to solve these for you. Okay, so there you have it. You have all of your answers. This last one for number 10 is negative 1/9, just in case you can't see that. Thanks for watching.